Hello everyone, and welcome to another highlighting tutorial, and we are excited to introduce to you our high density invisible connectors, compatible with our 180 and 240 LEDs per meter. Now the strip to strip extension and the strip to wire have a max current of 3.5 amps, and the strip to strip has a max current of 5.5 amps. So all three connectors are very easy to install and have the same steps. All you have to do is to slot in the strip into the connector and then make use of a set of pliers to make sure that the pins are piercing through the PCB. So the same steps can be repeated for the strip to strip connector and the strip to strip extension connector. You will just need to make sure that the polarity is correctly matched on each side. So overall, the connector will remain, and it is a solid alternative to soldering. Don't forget to click on the like button, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell if you liked our video. You can also follow us on Twitter and Instagram to remain up to date with latest news. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.